How to use Instagram Reels as a template. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reel as a template. So what you need to do first is get into your Play Store and make sure that your Instagram is updated. And if it's not, just do it because the newer features won't be available on your previous Instagram, such as this Reel one. So now what you would do is go into your Instagram application and search for the Reels. So now once you find the reels, what you need to do is simply select any of the reel like this. You get it? This is a reel. Now what you need to do is just go on that three dotted bar and just tap on it at the right side under beneath that sending sign. Once you do that, you need to understand that there would be an option of use this as a template, and hence when you will do that, you would simply use the template of that reel. So but in some of the regions it is not available, so that way you can use the template and then you would go into it. You would select your own pictures, your videos that you can use on your reels. So this is how you do it. This is how you use Instagram Reels as a template or use their template. I hope you guys like the video, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe on the YouTube channel. If there is any question or query that you need to ask, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. And don't forget to click that bell icon so that you can receive amazing notifications for further awesome videos like this. So take care everyone, till next time, peace.